I've tested a lot of really great bags over the past couple years, but if I could only choose one to keep, this would be it. This is the Pioneer Duration Pack, and there are 3 main reasons why this is the perfect bag for me, and maybe for you. The number one thing I consider when choosing a bag is style. It's really tough to wear a bag if you don't like how it looks on you, so choosing something that fits your personal aesthetic is just as important as the utility of the bag. The Duration Pack is sleek, sophisticated, and instantly recognizable with its gorgeous chonky zippers, which I might add are like butter compared to other zippers I've tested. It's stylistically versatile too, in that it looks great no matter if you're dressed up for a day at the office or just walking around in your street clothes. From tech bros to city boys, it only enhances the look of anyone who wears it. You'll even find Pioneer backpacks on style icons like Jerry Seinfeld, who just posted this selfie wearing their Panda pack. The design of the Duration Pack is intentional and impeccable. There's a dedicated place for all of your travel essentials and no wasted space. The bottom front pocket is made to fit the Pioneer Global Pouch, which is the perfect size dop kit in my opinion. The top pocket is made for all of your accessories like notebooks, passports, and handheld video game devices. The main pocket opens clamshell style, making it so easy and effortless to pack out. And in the back, you have a suspended laptop sleeve to protect your computer. This is all packaged in a 22-liter frame, which is the perfect size to carry in my opinion, and features personal item dimensions, so you can easily place the bag under the seat in front of you. You've also got a handle on top, luggage pass-through on the back, and a removable luggage tag on the side, which is such a cool little touch. The third and final reason why I think this is the perfect bag is its build. Made with Mandarin 840 twist yarn ballistic nylon, the bag feels supreme to the touch while also being extremely durable. I've tried out pretty much every bag fabric there is, from wax canvas and Italian leather to X-Pack and Ultra, but nothing compares to this Mandarin nylon. The bag is structured without feeling rigid or boxy, standing on its own when you place it down on the ground. Just as importantly, the bag is exceptionally comfortable to carry with a nicely padded back panel and shoulder straps. So what's your favorite bag of all time? If you could only choose one, which one are you keeping? Be sure to let me know in the comments below. Also, if you found this video useful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to see more videos like this in the future.